Have you ever wondered what it means to own a leasehold property? Let us break down how this form of property ownership actually works. A leasehold is a specific type of property interest where you own the right to use the land for a set period of time. While you do not own the ground beneath the building, these leases often span nearly a century, making them feel like permanent ownership. The arrangement involves two parties: you, the leaseholder, and the freeholder who technically owns the land and collects ground rent. The main difference is control. Freehold gives you absolute ownership forever, while leasehold is essentially a very long-term rental agreement. As the lease term approaches its end, the property value typically drops, as renewing a short lease can be very expensive. Before buying, always check the lease length. Short leases can make it difficult to get a mortgage or sell the home later. Leaseholds are complex but common in many cities. Always consult with a legal professional before signing. Thanks for watching.